In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove login from your Wix site. We'll walk through this together step by step. So by the end, any visitor will be able to access the page without needing to log in or enter a password. First, you'll need to sign into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is the control center for your website, where you can manage everything from design to settings. On this dashboard, look for the Setup tab. At the top right area of the screen, you should see a button labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. Wix will open your site editor in a new page or tab. This is where you actually design and configure your site's pages. When the editor loads, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with different icons. Find and click the icon labeled Pages and Menu. This panel controls all the pages on your site and how visitors navigate between them. Inside the Site Menu tab, you'll see a list of all the pages on your site. Take a moment to identify the page that currently requires a login. This is usually a members-only page, a restricted content page, or any page you previously set to be private. Click on the name of that page to highlight it. On the right side of that page name, you'll see a small More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click that icon, then choose Settings from the menu that appears. A new settings panel will open for that specific page. In this panel, look for the Access tab. This is where Wix controls who can see the page. Under Who can access this page, you'll notice several options, such as password holders or site members. To remove the login requirement, change this setting to Everyone. This tells Wix that the page should be publicly accessible, with no login or password needed. Once you've selected Everyone, your change is essentially complete. Wix usually saves these settings automatically, but it's a good idea to click Publish or Save in the top right of the editor to make sure the update goes live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully removed the login requirement from your Wix page, and visitors can now open it freely without any extra steps.